Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Reddit chat not working properly. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so there's a fair few different ways how to do this, so I'm going to go through these one by one. So the first one is to check your internet connection. So make sure you have a stable connection, Wi-Fi or mobile data, and also try switching networks or restarting your router. You can also force close the app, so go ahead and click on Reddit, click and hold on the app, click on I to get an app info, and right at the bottom it says force stop, and then click on OK, and then go ahead and reopen. Fix number 3 is to go ahead and clear the app cache. So click and hold down Reddit, click on I to get an app info. From here, scroll down under usage, click on the storage. Bottom of the screen it says clear cache. Go ahead and click on clear cache, then restart the app. Fix number 4 is to make sure Reddit is up to date. So go to your app or Play Store, search for Reddit and update it to the latest version. Also, another thing you can do is try Reddit on a browser. So you go to reddit.com on a browser to see if chat works there. This helps rule out app-specific issues. And if all else fails, just go ahead and delete the application and go ahead and re-download it. And then restart your phone and sign back in.